Islam is based on 5 key practices known as pillars. The first is the profession of faith called Shahada. The phrase "there is no true God but Allah and Muhammad is his messenger" is at the heart of the religion. It must be understood and repeated aloud by anyone converting. The second pillar is prayer, which should be carried out 5 times daily while facing Mecca at dawn, midday, mid-afternoon, sunset and evening. The third pillar is charity. Every Muslim, according to their means, is required to give part of their income to help those in need. The fourth pillar is fasting during Ramadan. Muslims over the age of puberty must abstain from food, drink and sexual intercourse from sunrise to sunset during the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. The purpose is spiritual purification, a gesture of compassion to those suffering hunger, while simultaneously achieving spiritual growth. The fifth and final pillar is the pilgrimage to Mecca, the holiest site in Islam. Each Muslim is expected to make the journey once in a lifetime, provided they're physically and financially able to do so. Known as the Hajj, it takes place during the last month of the Muslim calendar.